Pisces, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity, all your way. Bad health is big business. I'm here to put them out of business. Head swelling, PTSD, stroke, anxiety, depression, mental illness, physical ailments are at an all-time high, plaguing us at the age of an all-time low. I'm here to heal that with my Fountain of Youth technique. But before that, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. This page has been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is to believe. Believe in yourself. Believe in Lord God, Spirit, Universe, Source, Strength, Jesus Christ. Believe that you are bigger than what you're giving yourself enough credit for. Do not limit yourself. Do not dumb yourself down. Do not shrink yourself. You may be turning something possible that has been deemed impossible. Something that's never been created. You're doing something new, but do not talk yourself out of finishing. The finish line is right ahead. We're changing seasons. You come this far not to stop. Continue and believe with full confidence in yourself and watch how the blessings rain. The thing that you've created in your very mind shall come to light. It will be fluent, it will be progressive, and it will actually change your entire life. It's going to upgrade you. I believe in myself, the beauty of life, and the goodness of God. Thus, I have the power to fulfill my dreams. It's amazing, Pisces. You inhabit all the zodiacs of the universe. Therefore, you are able to create your dreams, make it so as you see it. You are the genius. You're the grandfather of the universe. The will of the Almighty supports me. How can you lose when the Almighty supports you? You can't. So continue to move forward because you have victory and God is on your side. My life is showered with divine light and my heart opens to the power of the universe. And you create. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself.